Hey guys, back again with another video. I picked up a new router. I just wanted to test this one out, see how it is. It's the TP-Link AX6000 and looks like it is a behemoth of a router. Just by sheer box size. We'll do an unboxing just to show you guys what all it comes with. And then in the next few videos, I might have some testing done on this one to see how good it is. It is a Wi-Fi 6 router. It's designed to work as a mesh system or as a standalone router. It's got up to 6,000 meg per second connection. It's got a high-speed 2.5 gigabit per second WAN port, quad-core chip, and can be of course managed through either your phone, or you can do it through the online portal, the local IP address. But here is all specs right here. It's called the Archer A6000. Let's see, here's the back of it. So up to 8K streaming. It's designed to support a tremendous amount of devices on there, and it shows it's supposed to be a whole home router depending on how big your house is. Looks like it's got 8 Ethernet ports on it as well. So instead of the standard 4 that every router usually comes with, or less. 8 performance antennas. We'll just see how that one looks, and then here's the other side. So just like I said, you can look at it via the mobile app or web interface. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Alrighty. Of course, a box inside another box. Let me see if we can zoom out my camera a bit. There we go. That is a chunky router. Alright, so let me see if I can put it this way. So here's the router itself. Let me move it to the side. So you got your quick installation guide. Looks like Wi-Fi info card. And then in case you need help to set it up. Comes with an Ethernet cable. Big old power brick. And that looks like is everything. Let's take a look at the actual unit here. So it looks like the antennas are just, yes they are. They just basically raise up. From around the edges. And then, let's see here, where it is. I guess this would be the front. So on the front, you have the WPS, Wi-Fi on and off, and then the LED indicator lights. On this side, you have a USB 3.0 and a USB Type-C. On the back, you got your LAN port and then 8 LAN connections. And then on this side is nothing. It is wall mountable. God, this thing is enormous. So just in retrospect, here's a Chrome box and its comparison. So it just dwarfs it. I mean, it does look like a beefy router, so we'll do some more videos with some more testing, but other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.